Hi all, and welcome back to a small help video. Today we are going to talk about water damaged iPhones, iPads, mobile devices, whatever you have. Have you ever overturned a glass of water over your iPad or dropped your mobile device into a puddle? Well, that's what actually happens once in a while. I have done that a few times, and this is the tips and tricks I have used to recover my mobile device. The first thing you need to do after you have had your device into water is to turn it off. It is very important that you turn off your device immediately after that. After that, then you need to remove your SIM card. You can do that on an iPhone. You can also remove the battery if that is possible. I know that is not possible on an iPhone, so just remove your SIM card and then make sure that it is taken out of the phone. After that, you take a dry towel, you start rubbing your mobile device like this for 4 to 5 minutes, just to make sure to get all water out of the speaker, out of the power plug port, and just make sure to have as much water out of the device as quickly as possible. Of course, you're not able to take all water out of the device, so you need to do extra things. So one trick is to take your hairdryer and start putting some hot air on the device like this. And you can go for a few minutes, but of course make sure not to overheat your device, because the hot water can actually overheat your device and then you can do damage to it. So be gentle, be very careful how hot the device is. Make sure after half an hour, half a minute, take down your hand on the device and have a feeling, is it hot, is it not hot, and then start again. Take a small pause and do it again. So the hairdryer, be careful, it can also damage your device. Another trick that is also very common known is to take your device, put it into a box, take some rice and pull over some rice until it is totally covered. You can also take a cotton pad from your mom or wife's makeup drawer and make sure that it's totally covered. Let it stay there for 48 hours. Take out all the things out of the box. Make sure to remove all rices, and then you need to clean before you put in your SIM card or whatever. You need to take a cotton pad and clean it before putting any power on the device. We need to have a clear, as much as a clear device before getting any power on it. Put the battery in, put in the SIM card, and you can take your power cable, plug it in, let it charge for a few hours to get some power on it again, and try to power on your device and see if it is actually working again. If you still sense that there is some water somewhere in your device, you can take 24 hours more in the rice box and pull it over again, put in some cotton pad, make sure it is covered and let it stay there for again 24 hours. See if it's more dry after that. Take out your device again, plug it in to a power cable, let it charge and see how much it is working now. I cannot guarantee that this is working. I would say about 80% of the time it is actually working with the hairdryer and the rice box. But if it's still not totally dry, I guess you need to take it to a repair shop and let the professionals look at it, and they will be able to recover most phones from water damage. I hope this small trick can help you before taking your device to the repair shop. Try it out, and I hope that you will have a success. Talk to you soon. Bye.